Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, celebration of a really successful week of learning and connecting with students. So I want to remind you that today is the last day to fill out the 5-minute reflection survey, which you should get in your email at 7:30, that same reoccurring email, thank you, right inbox. It's the last day to fill that out so that you can have an opportunity to win the prize this week. I'll remind you, it's a goodie bag full of things like vitamin C and some Hall's Defense Drops, Clorox wipes, tissues, and hand sanitizer. So, you know, there's a little self-care flu prevention thing going on with that. But anyway, before I sign off for today, I want to just tell you what I've been thinking about the last couple days, because you know if it's in my head, it's coming out of my mouth. Anyway, so I was in some classrooms, like all over, not just one classroom. I'm not picking, you know, and I was thinking to myself, why do people, including myself, all people, students, adults alike, me, why do we not act in our own best self-interest? For example, if you're in a class and the teacher is, you know, giving you notes, it's in your own best self-interest to write those down or follow along, etc., etc. But kids do not act in their own best self-interest. For me, my own best self-interest is to exercise every day, to avoid eating refined sugar, and yet sometimes I do not act in my own best self-interest. And then I was thinking, why is that? Why do we do that to ourselves? All ages, all ages. And then it occurred to me that I think what's missing is the reason why. You know, there has to be a very urgent, imperative sense of why we need to do this. I was extremely motivated at the beginning of January to get my own personal health under control after suffering the consequences of my holiday eating. So my why became very apparent. And it's harder to make the why very apparent to students, you know, when you're the teacher. But students who have not internalized the reason why we're doing this are going to be less motivated and less, you know, likely to really learn something. So my challenge to you today is to really focus on the why. Why are we doing it? And it might just be to practice learning. We're doing it so our brains get stronger. I'm doing this for a reason. I'd like to see a real emphasis on the why. You need it, I need it, we all need it. That will help us act in our own best self-interest. Signing off today. I'll see you guys around. I'll be making another video with the winner of our prize today, so stay tuned for that. See you later.